Page 34, Dreaming. This is a theme from Traumerei, which is dreaming. 4/4 time, no sharps or flats. We've got accidentals all over the place. We're more or less in C major. Let's just check and make sure we get these notes and rhythms because of all these accidentals. And you got triplets. 1 enda, 2 enda at the beginning. Right hand, 1 enda, 2 enda. 2 enda, 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You have to be able to go back and forth. So that's fine. Although here you can just think 1 and 2 and, but you really need to be able to go back and forth on a lot of pieces. So here it's just 3. So we're saving. I like to use fourth finger, but I'm saving fourth finger for that. So I'm going to use 3. Connect them, except for the rest. And then here, going up, just lift up and move. It's an E flat. And then forget the wavy line, just play it here. It's a B, D, A. And then it go on, 1 and for 1 and for, and then you come down, it's an F, A, B, a G, C. Left hand. Ooh. This is a 5/1. You cross over to the A flat. And then you lift up. It's a F sharp, A, E flat. So you just spell out the chord, you can figure them out. And next one is an F, B, D. And then crossover. D, and then back down here. I don't know what kind of dream you're having, but good luck. 5/2 there, and then a 3/1. Put the hands together. This should be interesting. 1 and 2. Oh yeah, that's actually it's a diminished chord. And the chord itself doesn't sound all that bad. It's just this 1 and 2. Just take your time on this. Figure the chords out. Now you can do a 5/4-2 if you need to. Otherwise, that's a 5/3-1. Isn't that lovely? So you work it out where you can get these and work these, try and get these notes and these chords down at the same time. Now just lower both hands at the same time. Then we can add the articulation, the slurs and the little arpeggio thingies, the curved lines. Here, so connect it. Connect it, lift up between them. And connect it. You can't connect these, but pretend you are. And this here, it's only for the right hand. So, and I play the bottom note with a little. Some people will play the top note. But I don't. I play the bottom note with the left hand. That's sort of the articulation. Then add the dynamics. Well, it's a soft piece, and you're going to swell up. Each time you're going to swell up. They're here, soft, and go up to here. You want to go there. Here. About a medium soft. You're not going up much. Come back down to soft. A little louder. Come down. You're just going from soft to medium soft to medium soft. Remember, we're dreaming, and we're going to dream quietly as well. Adagio is slow. It's slow. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 4, Well, we have to have pedal on this to connect it, and we want the overtones. This is kind of a dreamy, a foggy, a misty thing. We can have lots of blurriness in this. It's part of the character of the piece, and it's just overlapping throughout. Well, I like to hear some phrasing, but let's try it overlapping throughout and see what happens. I'm going to push the notes down first and then the pedal. I'm going to change the pedal after I play the notes. And that's fine. It looks like overlapping pedal works just fine. I like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm going to leave the pedal out because you can hear the notes better without it. And that's the purpose of this. We're not trying to perform it here. I'm not going to do any dynamics. I'll give us 4 counts. We're just going to go real slow. 1, 2, 3, and go. And 1 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 4 and 4 and